Hey everyone, my name is Chef Nick. I am an executive chef and the owner of a catering company here in Massachusetts. For those of you who don't know me, which is probably a lot of you, I was on Hell's Kitchen Season 14, Hell's Kitchen All-Stars, and Chop Suites on the Food Network. I wanted none of those things, and that's okay, because I'm winning at life. No, but seriously. I took a break from YouTube for a little bit, about like 3 months, because my husband and I are fostering a little baby girl. There were some health complications and some issues with her. However, everything's going according to plan, and she's thriving, and she's doing really well. So that means I'm back on YouTube. So I wanted to kick off 2022 with a short, easy, fun recipe that you can kind of make your own, and that is a pho or faux broth. It's delicious, and this is the second time that I've done this with this group of friends that I have, and we kind of like have a big spread with all toppings and kind of add them wherever we want in, different kinds of noodles. Obviously, there are certain authentic ways of doing things, but we kind of just make it our own with this broth, and it's really versatile. You could go vegetarian with this, you could add meat into it, fish, tofu, whatever you want. I'll insert some pictures, and without further ado, let's jump into the video, and let me know if you like content like this and comment down below, and happy 2022.